Master the leg press. Proper form is essential for effective leg presses and avoiding injury. When using the leg press machine, align your feet shoulder-width apart on the platform. This position helps target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes evenly. Keep your back flat against the seat and grip the handles for stability. Aim for a full range of motion by lowering the platform as much as your flexibility allows, while still maintaining control and good form. Next, let's focus on the movement. Controlled, smooth motions are key. Lower the platform by bending your knees to a 90-degree angle. Avoid locking your knees at the top of the movement, as this can put unnecessary strain on your joints. Push through your heels to engage your leg muscles fully. Now let's move on to foot placement. Different positions can target various muscles. For targeting your inner thighs, place your feet wider apart on the platform. To focus on your outer thighs, bring your feet closer together. Experiment with foot placement to find what works best for you. Another important tip is to control your breathing. Inhale as you lower the platform and exhale as you press it back up. Proper breathing helps stabilize your core and ensures you get the most out of each rep. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight you're pressing over time to continue challenging your muscles and promoting growth.